now, please welcome Amaziyah the Great.
Thanks very much. Well done, people. I am Jamaican, but I live in Rhode Island at the moment. And this poem I'm going to drop for you, it's called The Fight. In this mind of mine, I took time to find more time to be fine as my thoughts incline and climb on I. I refuse to let heathen drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping, I'm fully awake, 4 decades bleeding. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weeping, the journey continues even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it. I ignore their speaking, their fiction is sickly and misleading. Persuasion, invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me, be silent. Shh. I fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children, history assignment, writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me, it's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like it's my choice. I'm greater than your thought, tell them precisely. The fight continues, and there are many others just like me. Next one real quick, it's called Sick. I am sick, no jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and if my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for RiffRaff, some of you people that never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. Sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who are you arguing? I'm just sick of being broke, so I can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. Sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confused fake education. Amaziyah the Great views. RiffRaff for living among a sick generation. Next one I'm going to drop real quick. It's called The Holiday Inn. I spent a few days of my holiday in the Holiday Inn while I was all the way in her. We took warm shower together. She gripped me tight, precisely, nicely. I whispered soft words in her ear, telling her how much I care, and she called me God. But no, it was more like Moses as I stretched forth my rod. Damn, she was sexy. Her body impressed me. Beautiful like the ocean's wave. I was gliding like I was on a jet ski. Round 2, see? We exited the bathroom to the bed. She opened and spread. Uttered these words and said, honey, I want you to kick me with your big Timberland boots, knock my whole to me dead. I was like, baby, calm down. Can't I be gentle instead? Before we could have done, shot, it was like Mortal Kombat. She said, come here, I'm gonna finish you, Craig. On top of me, bouncing blissfully like a happy kangaroo. My girl, are you win? That's why I honor you. You're on the Twitter or IG, but let me tell you precisely, you know how to TikTok. That's why I follow you. One final one before I go. Do remember the Pawtucket Poetry 4th anniversary at Atrium and Maine, January 20th. So I myself host over there. Miss Lori, she'll be hosting the event, and only more poets from Rhode Island will be there, so do part stroke. This one is for all the ladies here in the house tonight. Ladies, you are remarkable. You are strong. You're one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you'll never go wrong. You are smart, you are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experienced pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. But be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. And if you're feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied, fret not, for God already sent an angel to be your travel guide. Ladies, you'll be okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, you'll be the strongest you ever feel. Ladies, you are remarkable, you are sweet, so trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more, you'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in you. Ladies, you got no time to play. You are a fighter, a survivor who resists to quit. You're loved, you're goddesses, you all deserve lifetime happiness. Thank you very much for having me, RiffRaff. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Look out, my book is out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland, available on Amazon. Maximum respect, give thanks.
All right, one more time for Amaziyah the Great.
Sorry, Steve.